This video will discuss how to use the US Major Dailies Newspaper Database. When you get to the database, it will look just like this, but we'll take a step back and go to the library homepage. If you're on the library homepage, you scroll down to the recommended e-resources. Go down to newspapers, US Daily Majors newspapers, and from here you have a couple of options. You can do an advanced search where you can have the Boolean operators set and throw them in there. You can do a basic search. So since I know the topic I'm working with will work with a basic search, I will start with that. So I put in zoo reform, it searches, and once I get here, I have a list of 1,400 sources. But since we know these sources aren't all going to be good, we can refine that just a little bit. We can start by refining to a full text. Also, since the database goes back to 1980, you're not going to want to have articles from 1980. You want something a little bit more recent. You can use this feature here to move it up to a more relevant time range. We'll go 2010 until now. Update. And now we have 415 results. But they're going to be good results. They'll be useful. We have the Washington Post, Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, and from here we'll get a lot of information about the particular issue of zoo reform. So we'll click on this one, full text. You'll get a sense for how the articles look in this database. It's a ProQuest database, so any of these search tools will work in all the databases that are run by ProQuest. Once you're here, you have the option to print. You can save it, you can email it to yourself, you can save it just as a PDF and email or save it to yourself. There's abstract information that's there. You can scroll down. You have a document URL. This is a permalink, so if you want to save the URL and get back to it easily, you just highlight this and save it, email it to yourself or something. When you navigate back to it, you have to log back into the database again. But that's how the US Majors Daily database works. A lot of really good resources. They'll be current. They'll show you what's going on with the topic you're writing about right now, which is really what we're looking for at this point in the research phase.